Hey everybody, Michael the Maven here. Today we are walking down to JAWs. There's some huge swells that came in over the weekend. We have some good camera gear. We're gonna take some pictures and I'll see if I can give you guys some good tips if you ever decide to come to JAWs to shoot.
So for those of you that don't know, Peahi, or JAWs, is a location on the north shore of Maui that just produces incredible waves in the winter. It can be anywhere from 7 to 12 days. We're talking about 40, 60-foot waves sometimes. It's really incredible. So if you do any kind of sport shooting, wave shooting, it's something you want to put on your list to do at least once in your lifetime. Now, I had never shot there before, and so there's some logistical things and some important tips I can give you. But first, let me say thank you so much to B&H Photo for supplying the Canon 5D Mark IV that I used in this shoot. We would not be watching this video without their help. So thank you guys so much. Number one, plan on showing up early. It gets very crowded and there's a limited amount of space to get good shots from. I would recommend coming an hour to an hour and a half before sunrise. Number two, plan how you're going to get from the main road, where you can park, down to the actual shooting location. Now, it's a dirt road, and I think four-wheelers can get down there when the property owners give access. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. If it's wet, if you don't have a four-wheel drive, absolutely don't even think about it. Either pay somebody to give you a lift, it's like 20 bucks each way, or walk. Now, if you're walking, keep in mind that you're gonna have to walk out as well, so the more gear you bring, the more strenuous it's going to be. Third tip I can give you is to go with a monopod over a tripod unless you have like a really heavy lens. Monopods have a smaller footprint. It's going to be a little bit easier for you to set up and get the shots that you want. Number four, I think the minimum requirement for your focal length is going to be about 800 millimeters. Anything less than that, I don't think it's going to be enough. I was shooting at 800, basically using a 100 to 400 push-pull with a 2X version 3 extender, and I lost autofocus, and I also lost 2 stops of light, but I was able to manually focus and get a lot of great shots. Make sure you bring some water, bring some snacks. You're gonna have a great time. Highly, highly recommended to check it out. If you guys enjoyed these quick photography lessons, definitely give me a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you're struggling to learn photography with your specific camera, you'll be happy to know I have a number of crash courses on Canon, Nikon, Sony, Panasonic, and Olympic cameras. They can be ordered from the following link.